This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by moving straight to mining zones. Once you spawn, head to islands or caves that spawn ore. Use a pickaxe or any tool that deals fast harvest. This increases yield and speed. Make sure to stay near teammates who can distract hazards while you mine. Cooperative play raises success. Once you find gray veins or metal crates, strike repeatedly until chunks drop. Pick up all metal fragments, because you need multiple pieces for a single metal block, and looting efficiency matters. With fragments collected, you move to smelting immediately. Travel to a furnace or a crafting bench on the map. Place fragments into the input slot and add fuel, coal, or woodworks, because heat transforms pieces into ingots faster. Once ingots are ready, transfer them to the craft grid. Combine the necessary number of ingots following the in-game recipe to create a metal block. Make sure to watch the progress bar. Canceling wastes resources, so wait for completion before collecting the final item. Finally, you place the new metal block onto your boat frame where strength is needed. Use the weld or connector tool to lock it in. Once installed, test sail and observe buoyancy. Metal adds weight, so adjust flotation by moving the block or adding balloons. If the block fails to appear, check your inventory and crafting queue, then relog or switch servers to clear lag. If resources disappeared, confirm you didn't exceed storage limits, and recreate the recipe with extra fragments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.